In this tutorial I will show you how to delete YouTube playlists on your phone. If you want to delete a playlist on YouTube using your phone, follow these simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your playlists. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your account menu. In your account menu, find and tap on the Playlists section. Once you're there, tap on View All to see the full list of your playlists. Scroll through and select the playlist you want to delete. Once you've found it, tap on the three dots next to the playlist. A few options will pop up. Tap on Delete from the options. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the playlist. Confirm by tapping on Delete again, and the playlist will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. The playlist has now been deleted from YouTube.